If you ever find yourself wanting to throw 3 or 4 boards in your truck to go ride, or you feel suddenly uninspired by the quiver you've amassed over the years, it might be time to upgrade to a new all-mountain snowboard. Are you looking for the best all-mountain snowboard? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best all-mountain snowboards that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Resignal Circuit Men's Snowboard. The Resignal Circuit is a solid budget option that's great for beginner riders looking to get their first snowboard. It's affordable while still offering enough quality to allow you to learn and progress throughout the season. It has an all-mountain shape and designed to give you the ability to try any type of terrain you want to practice in. That opens up doors for you to progress and evolve quickly without limiting you to any single part of the mountain. Amtech Turn Rocker helps increase maneuverability, making for a fun riding experience that will keep you in control. It also has enough grip and control to keep you stable and secure when turning and learning how to carve. This is a good board for your first season or two on the snow. It can help you learn the basics and get your abilities improved quickly and effectively. If you're a fast learner, you'll probably want another board as soon as you can handle one. The circuit is for beginners, and although it's affordable, I wouldn't recommend it for anyone with intermediate abilities. It's just not aggressive enough to handle more technical terrain, but it is a great learning tool. Number 2. LibTech T-Rice Orca Snowboard Men's. When you see a board advertised as having the ability to turn ice into powder, you might question the marketing tactics. But the LibTech Skunk Ape indeed makes the claim and is one of the best boards for icy conditions out there. The key to this iced-out performance is the magni traction edges that provide consistent dig when you need it without wearing out. These edges keep you in control even in the hardpack ice, where other boards would falter. It also has a directional twin shape that caters to resort riding. And if you stick to the resort, you're going to deal with ice eventually. Depending on where you ride, you might deal with it all the time. This board is perfect for those situations. It's powerful enough to charge through questionable conditions and has a lightweight core to help you keep up the speed while you do it. A low-maintenance base adds durability and extends the time between ice-induced wax jobs. The board doesn't excel in any one category and is notably lacking in powder performance, but it's a decent all-around option that won't blink when things get icy. Number 3. Burton Chiclet Girls Snowboard. If you want to get your kids started early, the Burton Chiclet is a solid option for those first-time grums to get a feel for the snow and begin their lifelong passion for the sport. This isn't a tiny traditional snowboard. It's built for small children and doesn't have strap-in bindings. This design is unique and can help those tiny ones get a feel for the basics before fully committing to being strapped in. The Chiclet has a twin shape that is entirely symmetrical to allow for easy riding regular or switch. It's also very soft and won't generate too much speed, a good concern with safety in mind. The board also doesn't have traditional edges, so that any faceplants will be limited. This is a great way to limit the risk of a kid wiping out and getting a face full of snow. Some might like that sort of thing, but others will want to head straight into the lodge. The Chiclet is marketed as a girl's board, and boys might not appreciate the graphics, but it will work for any child. Number 4. Ride Warpig Men's Snowboard. The Warpig is an all-mountain monster built to tackle any and every condition that comes your way at the resort or in the backcountry. It's a fun board to ride that is aggressive and capable, making it well-suited for experienced riders. This board is unique because it's meant to be shorter and wider than what you would usually expect out of an all-mountain option. It's an innovative design that I think is effective and fun. It will blast through powder, allowing for plenty of float and a quick, bouncy turning radius. Transitions to hardpack, groomers, and trees will be a breeze with the Warpig underfoot. Medium flex gives you control without being stiff, making the board both aggressive and playful. This sweet spot allows you to use it in big mountain conditions and the park on the same run. The shorter length makes it highly maneuverable in all of these conditions, as well. Unique construction elements like a topless top sheet and double impact plates keep it light without compromising strength. The Warpig can be a lot to handle and isn't an excellent option for beginners. The shorter length is novel and can take some getting used even for experienced riders. Number 5. Ride Agenda Men's Snowboard. For a beginner board that will help you become a better snowboarder, take a look at the Ride Agenda. This is a good choice for a first board because it can help you progress through ability levels over a few seasons. A soft flex is forgiving enough to keep you stable and in control as you learn how to ride the edges, carve, and perform other basic maneuvers on the board. A twin hybrid rocker design keeps the response mellow while still providing enough pop to tackle more challenging conditions. This is also a versatile profile that is equally capable in the park as it is on the mountain's front side. The sidewalls on the Agenda are called slime walls, and they provide a very smooth ride with limited edge drag without compromising control. This does sacrifice some carving ability and effectiveness on ice, but it makes the board very approachable. There is an aspen wood foundation core that is also focused on progression. This core keeps the board lightweight but has enough durability to provide both pop and flex, everything you need when learning the basics. It's not a good option for more advanced riders as the soft flex can be limiting. It's also relatively expensive for a beginner option. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.